you back to the YouTube channel. Today, let's do some words that show us the difference between the beginner and a fluent English speaker. So let's get started. The first one is, your house is very big. This is how a beginner speaks. But when you are a fluent English speaker, how do you say that? You say, your house is absolutely enormous. That's how you say it. Let's do the second one. It says, this book is very bad. That's how a beginner says. But when you are a fluent English speaker, this is how you should say. This book is completely awful. Like, this is a very bad book. This book is completely awful. Okay, let's do the third one. It says, you are very smart. That's how a beginner says. But when you are a fluent English speaker, how do you need to say it? You need to say, you are highly intelligent. You are highly intelligent. Let's do the fourth one. It says, I have very hard problems. So that's how a beginner says. But when you are a fluent English speaker, you should say, I have challenging problems. I have challenging problems. And let's do the last one now. It says, this movie is very bad. So how can you say it when you're a fluent English speaker? You can say that this movie is terrible. Or you can even say this movie is awful. So we'd say this movie is terrible. That means not a nice movie. Thank you.